is the freshest snow, like, ever, bro. Fuck. Bro. No fucking shot. Dude.
Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Dude.
Who cares?
You're a fucking moron.
Dude, the bumper.
You're a fucking moron.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh my god.
Did you hit the bumper? Or is it right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Bro. Go the fuck home, bro.
Parking mode off.
We're not doing this. We're not doing this, bro.
What am I telling my parents?
U-turn. Dude, don't destroy it more. I'm telling you, you want to, but don't.